Today we're going to bring a digital pen for your iPad. Now this is perfect if you can't afford the iPen from Apple, you could actually get a replacement, and these actually work better than the pen itself. We're going to take a look at it, and they actually have the same function as the original pen. Now on this one they do give you an extra point, if you guys can see that. So right now they do have this. Let's take it out. As you can see, they do have the flat surface, and this is how it charges because there is no other way to charge it. This is pretty much where you charge it from, actually attaching to your original iPad. Now just be aware that this only works for a certain number of iPads. All right, it's only the digital ones, the Pro versions that you have to get. That's where you're gonna see it working. So we're gonna put it together and see how it picks up. So let's go ahead and bring our iPad and see how it works. All right, first time bringing my iPad. This is my Pro iPad, not 2019 version. We're just gonna place it in the top. If you guys can see, it starts charging automatically. Now, it won't pick up automatically until it has some charge in there. So let's see if it picks up now. So if you guys can see, the pen automatically picked up. I didn't have to do any drivers or any setup or anything like that, and it picked up automatically. Now, let's go ahead and test it out. I am an artist, so I do a lot of stuff. So let's go ahead and test it out how well it works, all right? So let's go ahead and do that. So we're gonna take a new note. We're gonna actually test. I'm gonna say sketch test this pen. All right, simple. And then we're gonna see if we could draw something in there. Clean it out. Very simple to draw characters and start making your writings. You can make straight lines if you want. You could sketch up. Very simple. Doing lots of little lines. And it's very accurate. It's pretty accurate. And then insert wave lines. I'm going to do wave lines, wave lines, wave lines. And I'm going to insert circles. So pretty accurate little pen. So I like it that it works the same like the iPen. So very simple. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.